Important legal maxims for law entrance exams. 1. Ignorantia juris non excusat. This means ignorance of the law is no excuse. In simple terms, not knowing the law doesn't exempt you from liability. For example, if someone commits a crime without knowing it's illegal, they can still be punished. 2. Audi alteram partem. Translated as "hear the other side," this maxim emphasizes the principle of natural justice. It means no one should be judged without a fair hearing. Think of it as the legal version of every story has two sides. 3. Nemo debex bis vexari. This means no one should be punished twice for the same offense. It's the foundation of the double jeopardy rule, which prevents someone from being tried again for the same crime after being acquitted or convicted. Quartus. Ubi Jus Ibi Remedium. Where there is a right, there is a remedy. This maxim ensures that every legal right has a corresponding legal remedy. For example, if your rights are violated, the law provides a way to seek justice. 5. Actus non facit Reum Nisi mens, sit rea. This means an act does not make a person guilty unless the mind is also guilty. In other words, both the act and the intention to commit the act are necessary to establish guilt. This is the basis of criminal law. 6. Res ipsa loquitur. The thing speaks for itself. This maxim applies in cases where the negligence is so obvious that it doesn't need further explanation. For example, if a surgical instrument is left inside a patient after surgery, the negligence is self-evident. 7. Pacta sunt servanda. Agreements must be kept. This is the foundation of contract law, emphasizing that parties must honor their contractual obligations. 8. Salus populi est suprema lex. The welfare of the people is the supreme law. This maxim highlights that public interest and welfare take precedence over individual rights in certain situations. 9. Fiat justitia ruat caelum. Let justice be done though the heavens fall. This means justice must be served no matter the consequences. It underscores the importance of upholding justice at all costs. Gestionta. Volenti non fit injuria. To one who is willing, no harm is done. This maxim applies when someone voluntarily consents to a risk and cannot later claim injury. For example, if you participate in a risky sport, you can't sue for injuries sustained during the game.